Love you, Miley. What's this?
Every programmer should follow this. Don't repeat yourself, also known as dry, is a software development principle aimed at reducing repeating yourself. If I wrote code that tested math equations, you
No! No! No, 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 no. No. You wrote what? Tests? No. We don't do that around here. No, 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 no. We don't do tests. No. No. Louis, my man. What's wrong? I love your videos. I love your videos. Super great. But what are you teaching, man? Tests? You're teaching failure. No, no, no. What are you doing, man? Teaching newcomers they can fail. No, we don't do tests. We do perfect code that works the first time. No need to test. Oh my. Okay, let's watch the rest of the video. I guess it's really
You can
good.
see that my code is being set up in the same spots over and over again. This leads to things being awful to refactor later. Instead, you want to create a small function that sets this up for you, aka don't repeat yourself. A lot of the time, you can follow this principle by taking your long code and dividing it into smaller and reusable pieces. We're programmers. You gotta think lazy.
That's for sure. You gotta think lazy because you're lazy. It's okay, so I can agree with that. What was that code, man? What tests? No tests. No, we don't teach that. We teach perfection, okay? So, I mean, Louis, great YouTuber, one of the greatest tech YouTubers out there, okay? Respect, man. But I think what he meant, okay, and let me correct him, is this. Let me just quickly put together a code, okay? You'll see. So here it is. What's this? It's a PP check. What else? How would a newcomer learn if it's not fun? How would anyone learn if it's not about the PP? It's gotta be about the PP. There is no other way. So what's this? So here we have a PP check function, which gets the PP parameter, okay, and checks whether it's long or it's average or it's short or none of the above, and executes happy, max, sedge, and download functions. Okay, just doesn't matter. Okay, these functions will just print if they were called. Okay, so let's try. Happy was called and the PP has been checked. Perfect. If you check the code, right out of the bat, you see there's this line 4 times. Why? Well, because we're not dry, okay? Because we were in a hurry. We just wanted to finish the code, but it's not yet optimized. So what he's telling you, if you find statements which are repetitive, you should consider them moving. We're just gonna move this console log. Where? After the if statement. Because in every case, if you check, pen! I forgot the pen! Come here, my buddy. So, what I meant to say is that this console log, how do I do this? So this console log, nope. So this console log is executed in every single branch of this statement. See, whether if it's long, whether if it's average, whether if the PP is short, and whether we don't know, every single time. That means that we can just simply copy the statement after the if. It's that simple. How will I do this? No. What's the thing? No. How can I do the cursor? Oh my god, what was the no? This. Okay, well, it's gonna delete the thing, but okay. And now there. This is what I meant to do. It's got shorter and we're gonna have the same result. Let me save and try. See? It's the same exact thing. And we saved like 4 lines. And the code is much more readable. What else can we do with this? I don't know. Maybe we can put it in a switch statement, but I don't think that's really necessary. So there you go. That's it. It's all of it. Thank you, Louis, for the great insight. Okay, now our PP check function is dry. Well, doesn't matter. When you create something new, you should always check if you can make improvements down the line, because if I were to add more and more and more into this function, eventually it would get more and more complicated, harder to read. So this is what Louis meant to say in his really fancy video, which I still don't know how to do and probably wouldn't have the time to do that, so you get me instead. So that's all it for today. Have a nice one. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe and all the stuff and comment, okay? Thank you very much. Goodbye.